to lock in my bowl. Hey guys, welcome back to Life with Sheila. I am about to share a recipe with you. I am joining a collab with Tabby and Jen. I will make sure I link their channels down below. We are sharing a cheesecake collab. But there's something important I need to tell you first. More important than a recipe. You know, I always have to adjust this, even after I hit record. This channel is changing. This channel is officially changing. After today, this channel will solely be a vlogging channel, but you will get vlogs Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. If I happen to miss a day of posting, then it'll be on the weekend. So you're gonna get 5 videos a week on this channel. But, hold on. If you really enjoy Motivational Monday and all the pick-me-ups, all the coffee chats, those kind of things, those are moving to my new channel, which is Love Life Now. And it is solely strictly there to lend you countless hours of inspiration and encouragement to love the life you're living right now. Many of you appreciate those. Some of you really just like the vlogs and the recipes, which that's what's on this channel. The Love Life Now is kind of a motivational channel. But hold on, there's one more. I will have a third channel. I am nuts, it's okay. It is Writing with Sheila. That is where I will be sharing my writing tips, my how I am writing my process, how my process writing is going, and I will even have a weekly vlog over there, writing related, obviously. So in total, you are going to get on Love Life Now, you will get a video Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. On Writing with Sheila, I'm still wiggling the days. It's either going to be Tuesday and Thursday, or it's going to be Tuesday and Saturday. I'm leaning more now towards Tuesday and Saturday. Saturday will be a vlog, and Tuesday will be writing tips or what my process currently is, or any other writing related suggestions and tips and ideas. So you're like gonna get 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 videos a week from me. So you'll just have to pick what you like. I will link those channels as well down below, and they're also going to be linked on my sidebar on my channel. So if you just go to my channel, you'll see spotlighted channels or something like that, and they'll be there. So let's hop in that recipe. It's an easy one. Hey guys, today I am making a cheesecake, a No Bake Oreo Cheesecake. And I am joining in with Jennifer from The Long Way Home and Tabby Lou from Tabby Lou and Happy Austin for a cheesecake collab, a Pandemic Cheesecake Collab. So we are going to need these ingredients, and we are going to no bake our heart out.
You feel so far away, though you're close. Where's your mind at? I wanna know. A penny for your thoughts. I wanna know what's inside that heart of yours. Ooh, I feel paper thin. Ooh, get to is your heart? I don't wanna know. A penny for your thoughts. I wanna know what's inside the heart of yours. Ooh, I feel paper thin. Ooh, when will you let me in? Do you let anyone get under your skin? You play it cool, but underneath I know you're hiding something. Do you let anyone get under your skin? I just wanna get to know you, so would you let me get to know you, boy? Would you let me get to know you, boy? Would you let me get to know you, boy? Would you let me get to know you, boy? Would you let me get to know you? Ooh, I feel paper thin. Ooh, when will you let me in? Do you let anyone get under your skin? You play it cool, but underneath I know you're hiding something. Do you let anyone get under your skin? I just wanna get to know you, so would you let me get to know you, boy? Would you let me get to know you, boy? Would you let me get to know you, boy? Would you let me get to know you, boy? Would you let me get to know you, boy? I met him on a sunny day in late July, and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I told him I want that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't wanna let you go. Cause we wanted different things, and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy. So tell me how to let go, cause you really seem to know how to carry on your own. Ever since I got a good look in his eyes, I just knew that he was special. He said he wanted to take it slow, but I couldn't help that I wanted to take it to the next level. Cause I wanted that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't wanna let you go. Cause we wanted different things, and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy. So tell me how to let go, cause you really seem to know how to carry on. Sunny day in late July, and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind.